Tonight. Now, I'm going to ask a question. Can chiropractic cure cancer? See what kind of... Leave that here so I can use it.
You need it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll stand over here then. Alright, would anyone like to answer that? Phil?
I think chiropractic can eliminate the interference that might be causing the cancer, but it's ultimately up to the patient to cure itself of the cancer.
Anybody else?
Anyone else?
Okay. We'll leave it go with that for now. Now, in the very latest of Discover magazine, this fella has a whole new idea. He's a physicist. And he says, go far enough out and you will find another Earth with another version of yourself. Any comments?
Anyone? Phil?
I think he's got it backwards. I think you have to go inside far enough and you find another version of yourself.
That's right. Good for you.
You gotta speak up if you
Right.
and he can't hear you.
Now the question has been with me, where inside? It's got to be a place. And I found it. It is the neural tube. Inside of our spinal cord, right at the very center, there's a tube. And I'll make you some sort of a diagram here. And this we call the conus medullaris, meaning the white cone. And this is covered like this. But you gotta visualize this going all around the tube. And it's called the pia mata. Now the word pia is an adjective. So it has three endings in Latin. It is pius, pia, and pium. And this is the masculine, this is the feminine, and this is the neuter. And since this is feminine, we call it the pia mata, meaning pious. Has to do with divinity. Now these are things I've been getting. But down here, this coils itself this way and attaches itself to the back of the coccyx, the tailbone. Now here is something that I recognize that when Jeremiah 4:4 says to circumcise the foreskin of your heart, this is it right here. Right here. In other words, this thing is opened and it goes into infinity, into the abyss. And going into the abyss, meaning there is down there a parallel seed that matches the one that's in here. But in order to get to that parallel seed, we must go through quite a bit of dirt, pollution, whatever you like to think of. And all this dirt and pollution in the Bible is called the sin. But when we understand this as a biological, historical story of human, that we look at the Bible from a more scientific standpoint without losing the spirituality. Now, when we read about this in books, we are told that this dural tube finally becomes coagulated. Yes, this is the inner tube where we should go. Now, as we go up here, we have a fourth ventricle, but this goes straight up. But in the fourth ventricle, it's in the side here, there is some sort of this, which is considered a recess. And as we go up further and further, we go into another small tube called the cerebral aqueduct. And above that, we're told there's a ventricle. Now, as I told you before with the heart, as long as we use the word ventricle, it comes from venter, meaning a stomach, and also those chambers are not chambers anymore, but really stomachs that are digesting food. Now all this must happen. Now, if you really like to see a good picture of it, and I'm not going to show it on YouTube, because this book is patented, and I certainly want to find. But I'll tell you, yeah, they do. But I'll tell you what's page 46.